How to acquire more money in 2023. The key objective for many people is to have enough money in savings, investments, and cash on hand to support the lifestyle they desire for themselves and their families. And to build an opportunity that would enable you to retire and pursue whatever career you like without fear of not getting paid each year. But how do you achieve this? Here are best ways to acquire more money. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more important updates like this. Number 1. Set a budget. Everyone has a general desire to acquire a lot of money, but it all starts with a goal. You need to get specific about amounts and deadlines. The more specific your goals, the higher the likelihood of achieving them. Next, count backward from your deadline age to your current age and establish financial mileposts at regular intervals between the two dates. Write all amounts and deadlines down carefully and put the goal sheet at the front of your financial binder. Number 2. Prepare a monthly budget. Making a monthly household budget and sticking to it is the best way to guarantee that all bills are paid and savings are on track. It's also a regular routine that reinforces your goals and bolsters resolve against the temptation to splurge. Number 3. Pay off credit cards in full. Credit cards and other high-interest consumer loans are toxic to wealth building. Make it a point to pay off the full balance each month. Student loans, mortgages, and similar loans typically have much lower interest rates. Paying them off is not an emergency. However, paying these lower interest loans on time is still important, and on-time payments will build a good credit rating. Number 4. Create automatic savings. Pay yourself first. Enroll in your employer's retirement plan and make full use of any matching contribution benefit, which is essentially free money. It's also wise to have an automatic withdrawal into an emergency fund, which can be tapped for unexpected expenses, as well as an automatic contribution to a brokerage account or something similar. Ideally, the money for the emergency fund and the retirement fund should be pulled out of your account the same day you receive your paycheck, so it never even touches your hands. Keep in mind that the recommended amount to save in an emergency fund depends on your individual circumstances. Also, tax-advantaged retirement accounts come with rules that make it difficult to get your hands on your cash should you suddenly need it, so that account should not be your only emergency fund. Number 5. Start investing now. Bad stock markets, known as bear markets, can make people question the wisdom of investing, but historically there has been no better way to grow your money. The magic of compound interest alone will grow your money exponentially, but you do need a lot of time to achieve meaningful growth. However, remember that, for everyone except professional investors, it would be a mistake to attempt the kind of stock picking made famous by billionaires like Warren Buffett. Instead, open an online brokerage account that makes it easy for you to learn how to invest, create a manageable portfolio, and make weekly or monthly contributions to it automatically. We've ranked the best online brokers for beginners to help you get started. Number 6. Negotiate for goods and services. Many Americans are hesitant to negotiate for goods and services, because they're afraid that it makes them seem cheap. Conquer this fear and you could save thousands each year. Small businesses, in particular, tend to be open to negotiation, so buying in bulk or positioning yourself as a repeat customer can open the door to good discounts. Number 7. Live below your means. Mastering a frugal lifestyle means developing a mindset focused on living a good life with less, and it's easier than you think. In fact, before rising to affluence, many wealthy individuals develop the habit of living below their means. This isn't a challenge to adopt a minimalist lifestyle. It simply means learning to distinguish between the things you need and the things you want, and then making small adjustments that drive big gains for your financial health. In conclusion, these steps won't solve all your money problems, but they will help you develop the good habits that get you on the path to financial freedom. That will be all today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.